Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to customize your Shopify contact form in 2025? In this video, I will show you how to edit the default contact form, add new fields, and make it match your brand. First of all, go to your Shopify admin dashboard, then log into your account, click online store from the left side bar, then click themes. Find your current theme, then click three dots and click edit code. In the code editor, open the sections or templates folder depending on your theme. Now show file like contact form liquid or contact.liquid. Look for a file like contact form.liquid or contact.liquid. This is where the default contact form is built. Make a backup copy of this file before editing. Now let's say you want to add a phone number field or edit existing labels. Find for label, in the label fields, for contact form name, add a tag like for contact form name, now phone, then add phone number like that, then label end. Now in the input section, click enter here, then type TEL, then contact phone number here, write name equal to contact phone number like that, and ID contact form phone. ID equal to contact phone. Just copy and paste a new input field like this one. Make sure to use the correct name attributes like contact phone, contact company, or custom ones. You can also edit placeholder text and make fields required using HTML. Once you have made your changes, click Save, then go to your live site and test the contact form. Like submit a name, then text message, then click send. Use Chrome developer tools for mobile preview, and that's how you edit your Shopify contact form in 2025, whether you want to add custom fields or just change the layout. Like and subscribe for more Shopify hacks.